Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Dianne Morin, and today I'm going to show you a really quick and simple recipe that you can do to have an amazing flavorful salad dressing and salad. So I'm going to use some basic ingredients. I'm using cabbage, cucumbers. Normally I would use avocado, but I couldn't find any good avocados in the store yesterday, so we're going to skip that. But if you do make this, I would highly recommend adding avocado to this salad. I'm also going to put together some scallion in there. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process, and then the actual dressing is made with basil, spinach, hemp seeds, shallot, garlic, lemon, and some mixed nuts. And I'm going to add some rice vinegar as well as some Celtic sea salt and olive oil. So let's get started. Is my olive oil, my cup of spinach, my cup of basil, my scallion, cabbage, and cucumber that I'm going to use. And over here you can see the other ingredients that I have listed out, which is my hemp seeds, mixed nuts, Celtic sea salt, garlic. I'm usually using either 2 to 3. Today I'm using 3 garlic because they're pretty small. 1 lemon, and my shallot was really big, so I only need to use half of that, and all my kitchen tools that I'm going to use. This is the great way you get prepped and ready for your recipes. And I do have the rice vinegar over here. So this is usually what my countertop looks like when I get ready to prepare a recipe that I'm going to, feed my family with or teach a class. So great way for you to get started in learning how to organize yourself and get ready to prepare your meal. Here's my cabbage. I'm gonna prep that first. What I'm doing is I'm cutting it up really small. I don't like my cabbage to be big. So of course I'm making a lot of noise with this knife. So they're nice and thin, as you can see. So bite sizes. I'm gonna use my crinkle cutter. Add this to my bowl because we're gonna eat the salad today. I'm gonna add some scallions in here. So usually, if you have kids that are not, or adults that are not big fans of scallions, you can just cut them up a little bit thinner so they don't feel like they're biting into like a big giant piece of scallion. But it does add flavor to this dish. So it does add flavor to this dish. And I like to use the end, so let's put it on top. Okay. And again, here's my salad. This is prepped. Like I said, you can add avocados to this if you want. If you have shredded carrots, you can add some shredded carrots in here as well. So right now I'm just gonna leave this just the way it is, and I'm gonna prep my actual mix. So my olive oil, which is a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a cup of spinach, a cup of fresh basil, some hemp seeds that I have here, and a 1/4 cup of mixed nuts. That's gonna go in this dressing, as well as my shallot, entire small lemon, and my garlic, and some sea salt that I'm gonna add, and rice vinegar. All right, so I'm gonna get all this into my blender. Nuts, oil, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. 1, 2. Okay, and I do a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. I want this to be nice and creamy. So here we go. So what I do is I take this, I get a nice clean jar and put it in my jar and put it in my refrigerator to store it. Usually lasts actually a couple of weeks if we don't finish it by then, but it has a really good lifespan to it and it does stay this color every day. The lemon helps to preserve it. So, and the rice vinegar helps to preserve it. So this is amazing. Let me show you what it looks like on top of our cabbage. So you grab your bowl. A spoonful. Again, like I said, you could do more. My adult kids are obsessed with this. They absolutely love this. This would be great as a side to any kind of meats, grilled meats that you're cooking. If you want to skip, carbs, this is a great way to do it. Mix it up. I've actually added this on top of my chili when I made chili one day. So give it a good mix. If you have, like I said, avocado, some shredded carrots go well. You can throw in some tomatoes in here as well. So delicious. You don't even feel like you're eating a bowl of freshly made spinach and basil with cabbage and cucumbers. I mean, this is a salad. You are gonna say, okay, I'm not eating a salad. This is how good this is. Please try this. I'm gonna go store this, put it in my refrigerator, and later we're gonna devour the rest of this with some grilled meat. So I do hope you try it. And again, have fun exploring my YouTube channel. Go check out my website. I also do cooking classes once a month with the Orange County Library. So come check those classes out. You can register through the Orange County Library for those cooking classes. And they're a fun way for you to learn how to incorporate more fruits and vegetables and flavorful meals into your diet. All right, guys, see you later.